How to add CName record in Cloudflare. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add a CName record in Cloudflare. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in this source field, you'll have to search for Cloudflare. After you search for that, simply you can find the official site for Cloudflare. Simply click on the official website cloudflare.com. Now from here, click on Login at the top right. After you logged in with your account on Cloudflare, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, on the section Domain, you'll have to just click on your domain from where you want to just add a CName. Simply click on your domain name. After you click on your domain name, at the left hand side panel, simply click on DNS. Now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find out the section for Add Record. Or right from here, simply click on Add Record. Now from here, on the section type, simply click on this drop down arrow. From here, choose for CName. After that, you'll have to just provide the name, target, and you can as usual disable or enable the proxy status. Simply use alred for the root or name. After that, you'll have to just click on the option Add Record. After you enter the name and target, you'll be able to add a CName record in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.